Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to split screen on DELL 7320 Detachable. So first, open an app, click and hold right here and just put it where you want. For example, right in here, and then we can open, for example, File Manager and put it in here, and we can also open, I don't know, Notepad and put it, open the Notepad. I want to put it in here. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.